video, I'm going to show you how to find some keywords that are costing you a lot of money and how to turn them off. So step 1, log into your AdWords campaign account. You'll see campaigns. Go to the right side where it says dimensions, select that. Then go down here where it says view. You want to go to search terms. So I already have this loaded, but if you haven't checked out dimensions and the view column, I highly recommend it. You can get a lot of great useful information from it. For now, we're going to look at search terms. So here, these are actual keywords that people are looking for to trigger your ads. So you can see some of the stuff that people are looking for us. One note, make sure to have this up here, this time frame, be all-time data, so you can get a good idea of what people are looking for across the lifespan of your AdWords campaigns. Next, go ahead and find a keyword that you paid for some money for that isn't really a keyword you want to be bidding on. So Atlanta digital agencies, we don't want to bid on that. We're in Newport Beach. So the easy way to do this is just go ahead, highlight it, then go to keywords, then go right here where it says negative keywords. You can see we have a ton already that we've added. And go over here where it says add negative keyword, paste in the keyword, and select save. You can also choose if you want this, which ad group you wanted to be in. So I could select all ad groups and then click save. And then that's it. The next time somebody searches for Atlanta digital agencies, you won't be charged for that keyword, or we won't be charged for that keyword. You won't be charged for whatever keyword you select. I hope this video helps, guys. If you like it, please make sure to like and subscribe below. Thanks.